Hi there. This is the story of Ondas Holdings. Ticker symbol ONDS. If you look at the stock price, went up from 70 cents to $6 year to date. A return over 7x on your investment. So over 700%. And right now the market cap is about 2.2 billion and of course the price is $6 per share. And the most important question for you right now is whether this company is a great investment if you can have another 7x on your investment. And the answer, you will find it in this box. During this video, I'll open the box and you'll find the answer here. So, to understand my answer, you have to look at what they do and what's next, the next steps. If you look at the revenue over the last 3 years and a half, 2 million, 22, 15 million, then a decline to 7 million, and for the first half of 2025, 10 million. This is good. The revenue has rebounded. But now, if you compare the revenue with the current market cap over 2 billion, you can easily see that is extremely overvalued, right? And if you look at their earnings, no profits, a loss of 70 million, a loss of 40 million, a loss of 30 million, a loss of 24 million. It's like this. They make 10 million revenue, they spend all that money, and on top of that, they spend another 24 million. So this is not sustainable in the long term. You have to see their value in the future. I mean, to bring some value in the future so that your investment will do well. Now, based on revenue and current earnings, they don't justify the current market cap. Let's look at their balance sheet. Balance sheet, cash, $68 million. Debt, 300k. So they have no problem with their debt and they can fund their operations for another year easily if they have this cash position. Now still, if you compare the cash, 68 million with the current market cap, still overvalued. So now, let's look at what they do. Because maybe their value lies in the future. They have two main segments. Ondas Networks, which presents 27% of the revenue. Here they offer wireless networking solutions to different infrastructure companies, railroads, and other important enterprises, also governments. And then Ondas Autonomous Systems, where the revenue, this segment represents 73% of the total revenue. And here is the thing. This is the main reason why the stock price went up so much. And the value lies here. Here they offer a drone platform and software services, where they offer security, inspections for different institutions, especially for defense, the US Defense Department, and of course other enterprises. And they started to focus more on this area, AI defense, because you also need AI algorithms to run this platform, to offer better services. And of course, they've done more acquisitions. And because they have this AI here, as you probably know, AI is in a bubble right now. There is a big boom. The stock price went up over 7x. Now, if you look from a business perspective at what they do, their services are quite important. I expect that their drone platform, if it becomes better over time, to be a big driver for their revenue, because more institutions will need these services, especially defense, the Defense Department, the US Defense Department. So this segment, if they do a good job, for sure will grow more in the future. There is no doubt for that. And you can expect more contracts from the government, other enterprises, as long as I said, they offer high quality services. If they do that, combine hardware, they already do that with software. They sell their drones and also their platform. They also can offer subscription service, like maintenance for those drones, and other services for scanning, inspection, security, Imagine like a security company. They offer these services, they supervise your house, your company, and you just pay a monthly subscription. And they do that over the air. Amazing. I mean, they can have here a lot of opportunities if they can expand and do the right thing. Now, here is the catch with this company. Is they don't have so much money, cash, low amount, and revenue quite tiny compared to their market cap. They have to raise more money from the public markets. And if you look at the number of shares over the last years, 42 million, 53 million, 70 million, 206 million. So here you have the risk. I mean, you already have the dilution. This means when they double the number of shares, as it happened over the years, you lose half in value, and if they double again, another half. And it's likely that they'll continue to issue more shares to fund the investments in this AI defense industry segment, and for sure the price will go down from this level. Because if they issue more shares, you have to divide the value of this company by more people, because they will also require a share of that company, of this company. So this is a big risk. Now, let's say you agree with this dilution to increase the number of shares, that the value will be higher in the future. But you don't know for sure if they can succeed with their autonomous drone platform. I mean, yes, even if they sign some contracts, revenue to be around 100 million, to jump from 10 million to 100 million, still you have to think if they can make a profit on this revenue. Because if they can't, then your investment won't do well. And they'll continue to issue more shares to cover their expenses, because if you don't have any profits, they have to find a source to fund their expenses, and the price will go down. And from this level, I save this video, mark my words, from this level the stock price will decline for sure. Because they already announced that they will continue to issue more shares. Now, if they succeed with this autonomous system and become profitable, then they can stop issuing more shares and reward the shareholders. But if then there is a high road, I mean, you have to wait, take the risk, and see if they can survive, because they also have other competitors. And to open the box and show you my answer, the answer is no. Right now, this is not a great investment. I mean, it's like that you lose your money. This is my view. If you have other views, it's up to you. You may make some money, especially if you speculate. Now, if you want great investment ideas, where you have high chances to make money, I mean, just look at my performance over the last 4 years, 30% a year. An amazing performance. Just go on my YouTube channel, profile, press join, and choose Titan Investor. And there you have access to my portfolio, and you will see better investment ideas than this company. Much better, where the risk is low and the reward high. You also get access to an investing course, custom-made videos, in-depth analysis at a request, and of course bonus access to the previous levels, part and Gladiator. So if you want to stop losing money and increase your returns, deliver high returns year by year, join my membership. And that's it for this video.